These baby Dunfellows are now 2 months old. That's why it's time to separate them from their parents. This is a Parblu Opa Ewing Dunfellow. Did you know this bird cost almost 800,000 pesos or $15,000 way back 2017? This breeder produced 3 Pez Dunfellows and 1 Dunfellow. This is a Parblu Dunfellow. And this is a Violet Dunfellow. We now put a lead band on them and list it to our logbook before we put them to nursery cages. We now have 3 new red-eye Dunfellows. If you need project breeder like this, just PM us.